told you 5 fingers in our hand. First, the thumb we discussed capital. The first finger is for assert. Now, let's discuss what are asserts. So, property of any type or things of value owned and used in business are called asserts. So what are asserts? See, you have no intention to sell it fast. It is to be used in business. These are the properties which help you run your business. They are known as asserts. Now we can bifurcate asserts into two major parts. What are they? Fixed asserts and current asserts. So what are fixed asserts? Which stay with you for more than 1 year are known as fixed asserts. Now what are current asserts? Whose value keep on changing within 1 year period. That is, today it is of some value, maybe after 2-3 months or even after next day also some asserts change their value daily. Some asserts within 2 months, 3 months their value will be changing. And fixed asserts, they don't change their value generally within the time frame of 1 year. So fixed asserts and current asserts. Now fixed asserts are further divided into tangible asserts and intangible assert. Now what is tangible assert? See, tangible is made from the word touch. Tangible, touch. So tangible asserts are those asserts. Remember, this is how you have to present. Tangible asserts have physical existence, that is, they can be seen, touched and felt. Like, for example, a table is lying there. You can see the table, you can go and touch it, you can feel it. It has physical existence. So that table is a tangible assert. It is used for helpful. Where will you do all your accounts work? Sit on a table chair and do it, right? So, and you are not going to change that table chair every year. So tangible assert having physical existence, that is, it can be seen, touched and felt. So what tangible asserts as a beginner you need to remember are land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixture, computer and printer, motor vehicle. What is land and building? How are they different? See, on a piece of land, we erect a building. Okay? On a piece of land, we erect a building. So, to run a business, land and building is required and they are fixed assets. You are not changing it over and over again. Plant and machinery. In plant and machinery, there are machines, there are factories like cement factories which run on kilometers and kilometers of land. So many machines together are called as plant and machinery, and you don't change it every year. So they are fixed assets. Then furniture and fixture. Now furniture you understood, your table, your chair, these are furniture. What about fixture? See, the furniture which you can move from one place to another. That is, I can lift this chair and I can keep it somewhere else. That is furniture. The part of furniture which is fixed in wall, you cannot move it and take it somewhere else. That is known as fixture. Computer and printer and motor vehicle. Computer and printer are also tangible assets. Motor vehicle, be it trucks, lorries, vans or cars, scooters, whatever it is, bikes, all come under motor vehicle. So this was about tangible assets. What is intangible assets? No physical existence but have monetary value. Now, do they have physical existence? No. Can you touch them? Can you feel them? No. But they have monetary value. There are companies whose intangible assets have more value than their physical assets. Yes, because of the reputation these companies carry. So what 4 intangible assets you need to remember is goodwill, patent, trademark and copyright. What is goodwill? The name and reputation of your business by help of which you can sell more than your competitor. You will buy a jeans from a reputed company and not the one selling on roadside. Why? Because that company who is selling has a goodwill and you know that the quality will be good. So because of goodwill, you can send more. Goodwill is the reputation of the business. Patent, you discover something because of your research and development, R&D. You discover something and you get it patented in your own name, and nobody else can then take it, so, or copy it. So that is patent. Patent also you can't see but has monetary value. Trademark, you must have seen that there are various trademarks on products like pure cow ghee. Okay, so trademark, even on some edibles there are trademarks. So trademark is also intangible assets. Copyright, you must have seen on books or on movies or on CDs that copyright protected. That is, you can't make a copy of that book or that movie. That is wrong. So copyright. So goodwill, patent, trademark and copyright. Remember, 4 intangible assets. Now what are current assets which stay with you for less than 1 year? So what are they? Debtors, stock. Remember, stock or inventory is one and the same thing, but you have to take closing stock. Bills receivable, trade receivable, that is a written promise. Bills receivable, that some party will pay you. Trade receivable, debtors plus bills receivable is equal to trade receivable. This is the formula you need to remember. Cash in hand, cash at bank. Now I can have cash in my office place also, a box of cash, and cash at bank also, a bank account in which I maintain my cash. So cash in hand, cash at bank, and prepaid expenses, some expenses which I pay for next year. They are also my current assets because I have already paid, and the benefit I will receive in future. So they are also my current assets. Remember, the business bank account is known as current account, and there I keep cash at bank.